You ever wonder why Amish homes look so spotless? So calm, so peaceful, like every corner has been cared for. There's a secret to it. Well, not just one, 10 of them. And once you know, you'll never look at your own home the same way again. It's not about fancy tools. It's not about expensive storage bins. It's about a way of living, a way that keeps life simple, clean, and free from chaos. Today on Rustic Pantry, we're diving into the Amish secrets of keeping a spotless home. And trust me, you want to take notes. 1. The quiet power of simplicity. Step inside an Amish home, and the first thing you notice is the air. It feels lighter. It feels calmer. There's no pile of random things in the corner. No half-broken gadgets waiting to be fixed someday. The Amish live by one rule that changes everything: simplicity. They don't just preach it, they live it every single day. Their walls are not drowning in decorations. Their shelves don't buckle under the weight of stuff. What you see is what is needed: a wooden table, a sturdy bed, a chair that creaks but still stands, and nothing more. This isn't accidental. It's intentional. Too much clutter, they believe, clouds the heart. It makes you restless. It makes life heavy. So they keep what matters. They release what doesn't. And because of that, cleaning becomes almost effortless. Less things, less dust, less mess. 2. Cleaning that never waits. Here's the truth. Amish homes are spotless not because they spend all Saturday scrubbing. It's because they don't let dirt linger. A spill happens. It's cleaned. Boots drag in mud. It's swept. Children drop crumbs. Someone wipes them. Nothing waits. They know that dirt grows fast when ignored. So instead of one exhausting day of cleaning, it becomes tiny habits repeated quietly. Every morning starts with simple routines. Sweep the porch. Wash the dishes. Shake the rugs. Little acts. Done again and again. The home never gets out of control. And here's the kicker. Everyone does their part. Children learn early to fold, to carry, to put away. A spotless house isn't the work of one person. It's a rhythm, a song the family plays together. 3. Less furniture, less problems. Imagine walking into a living room. No cluttered shelves, no extra couches no one sits on. Just one table, some chairs, maybe a rocking chair that's been there for 30 years. Amish homes are not bare, but they're not crowded either. They believe a house should hold only what you actually use. Every extra piece of furniture means one more thing to clean, one more thing to dust, one more corner for spiders to hide. They avoid that. They choose quality over numbers. A bed that lasts decades, a table built by hand, a dresser that is simple but strong. Nothing wasted, nothing unnecessary. And because of this, the room breathes. It feels free. It feels easy. The Amish don't fight clutter because clutter is never allowed to grow in the first place. 4. Everything has a place. Always. There's a quiet discipline in their homes. A coat isn't dropped on a chair. It hangs on its peg. Shoes don't wander around. They wait by the door. Tools don't scatter across counters. They return to their shelves. It sounds strict, but it's not punishment. It's habit. It's respect for space. The Amish know that chaos begins when small things are left out. A paper here, a sock there. Before long, the house feels heavy, so they stop it early. Every object has a home, and it goes back there when it's done. Simple rule, hard to follow for many, but for them, it's second nature. That's why their homes look tidy without effort. 5. Cleaning as togetherness. In modern houses, cleaning feels like a chore, a punishment even. Someone grumbles, someone avoids it. But in Amish homes, it's something else. It's family. Picture this: spring morning, windows open, sunlight pouring in, the whole family moving together. Daughters wiping glass, sons carrying rugs outside to beat, mother scrubbing the stove, father fixing a loose board while sweeping the porch. Nobody complains. Nobody hides. It's not about chores. It's about shared work. Work that builds pride. Work that strengthens ties. Children don't just hear about responsibility. They live it. And so cleaning becomes more than dusting. It becomes a tradition, a bonding, a rhythm handed from one generation to the next. 6. Storage that tells a story. Step into an Amish pantry. Jars of pickles lined neatly. Apple butter stacked row by row. Everything in its place. No plastic tubs falling from shelves. No mismatched containers crowding corners. Instead, wood, wicker, glass, handmade cupboards that fit perfectly in a room. Baskets woven to hold exactly what is needed. Chests that carry quilts folded with care. These aren't bought in a rush at some store. They're made, or handed down, or carefully chosen. Storage itself becomes part of the order. It doesn't just hide clutter, it prevents it. And when storage is beautiful, when it fits the home, cleaning feels natural, not forced, not faked. Real order, real peace. 7. The old tradition of seasonal cleaning. There is one ritual the Amish never skip: seasonal cleaning, especially in spring. When winter is gone, the house is open wide. Curtains washed, windows shine till they sparkle. Rugs beaten outside, mattresses turned, walls scrubbed, even the ceilings clear of cobwebs. Everything touched, everything refreshed. It's more than cleaning. It's renewal. It's starting again with clear air and clear space. And it doesn't stop at spring. In fall, they prepare pantries. In winter, tools are stored, oiled, ready for the next year. Each season demands a rhythm, a different kind of care. And because of that, the home never falls behind. Nothing builds up. Nothing lingers for years. Their homes live in step with the seasons. 8. Choosing function over fancy. An Amish chair is for sitting, a table for eating, a shelf for holding essentials. That's it. No pretenses, no chasing trends. They don't decorate just for looks. They decorate with purpose. A quilt on the wall? It warms the room. A basket on the table? It holds bread. This mindset kills clutter before it can be born. No endless buying of knickknacks that just gather dust. No constant changing of style to follow fashion. They value what works, what lasts, what matters. And in doing so, they save time. They save money, and their homes stay calm. It's not about impressing guests. It's about living in peace with what you already have. Here's something the Amish understand deeply. Too much stuff steals peace. They don't keep broken things just in case. They don't hold on to clothes that no longer fit. If something has no use, it goes. Passed to neighbors, given to family, or let go of without guilt. Their community is tight, so nothing truly goes to waste. What you don't need, someone else might. And because of that, clutter never grows. Attics don't overflow. Garages don't choke with boxes. Closets don't burst open with clothes untouched for years. The Amish discipline is simple. Keep what serves life. Let go of what doesn't. And because they follow this, their homes remain light. Free. 10. Pride in the home. In the end, it comes down to pride. But not pride in showing off. Pride in stewardship. The Amish see their homes as blessings. A gift. A responsibility. To care for it is to honor it. To honor the family. To honor God. Every scrub floor. Every polished board. Every tidy shelf is a small act of gratitude. A way of saying we respect what we have. And that pride shows. It glows in their spotless homes. It welcomes every visitor. It comforts every child. It builds a space where peace can live. For the Amish, cleaning is not just about wiping dirt. It is about keeping the heart of the home pure. So there you have it. 10 Amish secrets. Simple but powerful. They don't chase trends. They don't drown in clutter. They live with purpose, and their homes reflect it. Maybe you can't live exactly like them, but you can take pieces, A habit here, a rule there. Slowly, you'll see the change. Your home will breathe again, and it will feel lighter, cleaner, peaceful. If you enjoyed this journey into Amish simplicity, make sure to subscribe to Rustic Pantry. More stories, more secrets, more ways to bring calm back into your home. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it rustic,